Finding the perfect makeup that combines quality, affordability, and performance can be challenging, especially when it comes to drugstore options. But worry no more. In this video, we'll be reviewing 5 of the best drugstore makeup products that not only deliver professional results, but are easy on the wallet too. From foundations to lipsticks, these products offer high-end performance without breaking the bank. Let's dive in and discover which drugstore makeup products are worth your investment. Kicking off our list at number 1, Maybelline. Maybelline is a trusted drugstore brand known for its high-performance, budget-friendly makeup products. One of the most popular items in their range is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. This foundation offers a natural finish and is specifically formulated for normal to oily skin types. Maybelline's commitment to providing a wide shade range ensures that there's a perfect match for every skin tone, while the product's buildable coverage lets you achieve your desired look with ease. Key features: Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation is designed to blur imperfections and reduce the appearance of pores for a smooth, flawless finish. Its oil-free formula ensures long-lasting wear, keeping shine at bay while maintaining a matte appearance throughout the day. It's infused with micro-powders that control oil and deliver a breathable texture, making it ideal for those with oily or combination skin. With a diverse shade range, this foundation caters to a broad spectrum of skin tones, offering easy customization and a natural, second skin finish. Benefits and usage: this foundation's main benefit is its ability to control oil while still providing natural coverage that doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It is perfect for everyday wear, offering a matte finish that stays in place for hours without the need for constant touch-ups. To use, simply apply the foundation with your fingers or a brush after prepping your skin with a moisturizer or primer. Whether you prefer full coverage or a lighter, more natural finish, Maybelline Fit Me can be built up to suit your needs, making it versatile for all makeup routines. Usability: the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation is easy to apply and feels weightless on the skin. It blends seamlessly, offering a smooth and airbrushed appearance. The liquid formula is perfect for creating an even base and works well with other makeup products. It's designed to be worn throughout the day, with long-lasting properties that maintain a matte look. Ideal for those on the go, the foundation can be quickly applied for everyday use, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned makeup users. Durability: the durability of Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation is impressive for a drugstore product. Once applied, it lasts for hours without needing to be reapplied, keeping skin matte and shine-free. The oil-free formula ensures that the foundation holds up against humidity, sweat, and oily skin, while the micro-powders continue to absorb excess oil throughout the day. Its long-lasting wear makes it an excellent choice for those who need a foundation that will stay in place from morning to night. In the second spot, we have L'Oréal Paris. L'Oréal Paris has long been a leader in the beauty industry, offering high-quality, innovative products that cater to all skin types and preferences. The L'Oréal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation is one of the brand's standout offerings, providing a full coverage, long-lasting formula that feels fresh and breathable on the skin. This foundation is perfect for those looking for a flawless complexion that will last all day, no matter the weather or activity. Key features: the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation offers buildable coverage with a lightweight, breathable texture that moves with your skin. It provides a natural matte finish while controlling oil and preventing shine throughout the day. The formula is resistant to sweat, heat, and humidity, ensuring that your makeup stays fresh even in the most demanding conditions. With an impressive shade range, it caters to various skin tones and provides a flawless finish without the heavy feel of traditional foundations. Benefits and usage: L'Oréal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation is designed to provide a full coverage look while remaining comfortable and breathable. It's ideal for those with oily or combination skin who need a foundation that offers long-lasting wear without settling into fine lines or creases. To use, apply a small amount of foundation to your skin and blend it using a brush or sponge for even coverage. The buildable formula allows you to layer for additional coverage if desired, and it pairs beautifully with other makeup products like blush, bronzer, and highlighter. Usability: this foundation is incredibly easy to use, thanks to its smooth texture and blendability. It glides on seamlessly, leaving no streaks or patches. The lightweight formula ensures that you don't feel weighed down by your makeup, making it perfect for all-day wear. Its full coverage ensures a flawless complexion without the need for heavy layering, which makes it suitable for those with blemishes, uneven skin tones, or redness. It works well with both liquid and powder products, making it versatile for different makeup looks. Durability: L'Oréal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation is highly durable, lasting up to 24 hours without fading or caking. Its sweat and humidity-resistant properties make it perfect for hot and humid climates, and its oil-controlling ingredients ensure that you remain matte throughout the day. This foundation holds up exceptionally well in various conditions, from workouts to long workdays, maintaining a fresh and natural appearance from start to finish. The impressive durability makes it a go-to option for those in need of a long-lasting base. Coming in at number 3 is the Revlon. Revlon is a brand that has established itself as a leader in the drugstore makeup world, offering a wide range of products that deliver professional results at affordable prices. One of their most popular products is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. Known for its superior staying power, this foundation provides full coverage while remaining comfortable and lightweight. Available in multiple formulations for normal/dry and oily/combo skin, it ensures that everyone can find their perfect match. Key features: the Revlon Color Stay Foundation is formulated to offer full, buildable coverage while maintaining a natural finish. Its unique formula is designed to last up to 24 hours, making it one of the most long-lasting drugstore foundations available. The foundation contains SPF 15 for added protection against harmful UV rays, making it suitable for everyday wear. With its oil-free formula for oily skin and hydrating ingredients for dry skin, it provides a tailored solution for a variety of skin types. Benefits and usage: Revlon Color Stay Foundation is ideal for anyone looking for long-lasting, full coverage that doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It evens out skin tone, conceals imperfections, and provides a smooth, airbrushed appearance. To use, apply to clean, moisturized skin using a foundation brush or sponge for even coverage. The buildable formula allows you to control the level of coverage you need, making it suitable for both light and full coverage looks. Its versatile formula makes it ideal for everyday wear or special occasions. Usability: Revlon Color Stay Foundation is known for its ease of use, thanks to its smooth consistency and blendability. It can be applied quickly, and the formula stays in place once it's set, reducing the need for frequent touch-ups throughout the day. Whether you use a brush, sponge, or fingers, the foundation blends effortlessly into the skin, creating a flawless, natural finish. It's also ideal for busy individuals who need makeup that will last from morning to night with minimal maintenance. Durability: the Revlon Color Stay Foundation delivers exceptional durability, lasting up to 24 hours without fading, smudging, or oxidizing. Its sweat-proof, oil-resistant formula ensures that your makeup stays fresh even in challenging conditions. Whether you're heading to a party, a workout, or a busy day at work, this foundation has you covered. The formula is also transfer-resistant, so you don't have to worry about your foundation rubbing off on your clothes or accessories. Taking our 4th spot is CoverGirl. CoverGirl has been a favorite in the drugstore beauty aisle for decades, offering a wide array of makeup that caters to different skin types and tones. One of their standout products is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation. This foundation promises a dewy, natural finish with light to medium coverage, perfect for those who want a fresh, glowing complexion without the heaviness of traditional foundations. Infused with aloe and coconut milk, it provides nourishment along with coverage. Key features: CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation features a lightweight, buildable formula that provides a natural, dewy finish. Its skin-loving ingredients, like aloe and coconut milk, help hydrate and nourish the skin while delivering coverage that's perfect for everyday wear. The foundation is cruelty-free, and the product's packaging is made with recyclable materials, making it an eco-friendly option. Its formula is free from parabens and sulfates, ensuring a gentle experience for all skin types. Benefits and usage. This foundation's main benefit is its ability to provide a radiant, healthy-looking complexion without the heavy, cakey feel of traditional foundations. It's great for those with dry or normal skin who need a bit of hydration alongside their coverage. To use, apply a small amount of foundation to your face and blend it out with a sponge or brush for a dewy, fresh finish. The buildable formula allows you to control the coverage, making it perfect for a light, everyday look or a more polished, evening look. Usability. CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation is incredibly easy to use and perfect for anyone looking for a natural, everyday foundation. The lightweight formula blends seamlessly into the skin, creating a fresh, youthful appearance. It's easy to build up if you need more coverage, and it wears comfortably throughout the day. Whether you're going for a no-makeup look or want to enhance your natural features, this foundation is the ideal choice for anyone who prefers light, breathable coverage. Durability. This foundation offers impressive wear time for a drugstore product, lasting up to 8 hours without fading or patching. While it's not as long-lasting as some other foundations, it remains fresh and dewy throughout the day. Its nourishing ingredients ensure that your skin stays hydrated, while the buildable coverage ensures that you can touch up if necessary. It's ideal for those who need a foundation that provides a natural glow and doesn't require constant maintenance throughout the day. And finally, at number 5, we have NYX Professional Makeup. NYX Professional Makeup is known for its wide range of vibrant, affordable, and high-quality makeup products. The NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation is a cult favorite for anyone who loves a dewy, radiant finish. This foundation offers medium coverage and is infused with skin-loving ingredients like aloe and vitamin E. Whether you have dry or combination skin, this foundation is designed to give your skin a healthy, glowing appearance. Key features: NYX Born to Glow. Naturally Radiant Foundation features a lightweight, buildable formula that provides a natural, radiant finish. Infused with vitamin E and aloe vera, the foundation nourishes the skin while offering medium coverage that can be built up for a more flawless appearance. The foundation is available in a variety of shades, ensuring there's a perfect match for every skin tone. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, making it an ethical choice for makeup lovers. Benefits and usage. This foundation's main benefit is its ability to provide a glowing, radiant complexion with a lightweight feel. It's perfect for dry or combination skin types, as it hydrates the skin while offering coverage that doesn't feel heavy. To use, apply the foundation to your face and blend it out with a sponge or brush. The formula is buildable, so you can layer it for more coverage or wear it lightly for a fresh, natural look. Usability. NYX Born to Glow. Naturally Radiant Foundation is easy to apply and offers a smooth, glowing finish that's perfect for everyday wear. The formula blends effortlessly, providing a natural finish that stays in place without feeling heavy. It's great for all skin types, but works especially well for those who want to enhance their skin's natural radiance. Whether you're using it for a casual day out or a night on the town, this foundation is versatile and easy to work with. Durability. The durability of NYX Born to Glow. Naturally Radiant Foundation is solid, providing up to 8 hours of wear without fading. It keeps your skin looking fresh and dewy throughout the day, while still providing medium coverage that conceals imperfections. The formula is lightweight, so it won't feel cakey as it wears. For those with dry or combination skin, this foundation offers a perfect balance between hydration and staying power, making it a great choice for all-day wear. To wrap up, these 5 drugstore makeup products are all excellent choices for anyone looking to upgrade their makeup collection without splurging. From Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation to NYX's Born to Glow, each product offers something unique while maintaining high performance. Whether you prefer a matte finish, radiant glow, or long-lasting wear, these drugstore favorites will meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews.